Hello guys, thanks for clicking the video. This is my first video, so let's dive into our topic. So the topic is how to generate unlimited images using Google Flow app. Google Flow is also available in web version. My next video will be about that. So today we'll discuss about the application. So let's go to Play Store first. So yeah, let's search for Flow. This is a new app guys, so like most of the people doesn't know about it, so I just want to show you all that it exists. So as you can already see here, I've already installed it on my tablet. So let's open it now. So I already have this app on my tablet and I log in using my email ID. So see, you can see this is the project I've made for some positive thinking kind of content. So let's start a new project here. As you can see, there are projects, so let's start a new project. As you can see here guys, like this is the interface of the Google Flow app. First I'll show you what are the elements that are available for us to generate images. So as you can see here, the image, we have aspect ratio here 16:9, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4, and these are the like 1x, 2x, 3x. These are the number of images that you want to generate. And if you come down, you can see Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2 Lite. So these are the models that you can use to generate different kind of images. As one more important thing is, you can see here generating will use 0 AI credits. That means you can generate unlimited images and it takes nothing. It's free of cost. So let's directly get back into the generation. So guys, to generate a good image, we need good prompt. So today we'll use Grok AI to generate the prompt. As you can see here, I've already typed, "Hey Grok, I want to recreate an image. Please provide me a JSON prompt to recreate the reference image that I will send you." So yeah, I will send it now. Let's see. So this is the response from God. Got it. Go ahead, send the reference image whenever you are ready. So guys, so as you can see here, I've selected this image and I'm asking Grok to give me a prompt to regenerate this image. So let's see how efficient the prompt from Grok AI works. So I've sent it now. So let's see how long it will take. I'm keeping it natural guys, no editing. It's a raw video, so however time it takes, how much ever time it takes, it is going to take that much time. So Grok AI analyzed the image and gave the description about the image. Now let us ask Grok AI to generate a JSON prompt to recreate the image. Give me JSON prompt to recreate the image. So guys, as you can see, I've sent it the prompt again. Give me JSON prompt. So let's see. Okay, it has given us something. It is typing. It looks good. This looks good. If you want to know why I am using JSON prompt, please subscribe to the channel and wait for the next video. My next video will be about the JSON prompt and how to generate it. It's very easy guys. We have AI tools and it's very easy. So we have got the prompt. So let's copy it. So guys, we have copied the prompt and we have come back to Flow app and let's paste the prompt here as I'm doing. Yeah, I pasted the prompt. So let's select the attributes. So the attributes I am selecting here is I need a image. So I have selected image here and I need 9:16 aspect ratio. So it is selected here. You can see now I'm changing it. So yeah, and I need 3 images and I'll be using the latest model Nano Banana 2. Yeah, I'm sending it Nano Banana 2. So let's see what will happen now. Send. As you can see here, it started generating images. You can see the percentage of the timeline. 10%, 11%. So as you have seen, I have given it the prompt and the number of images I want to generate through that prompt. It is still going on. So let's see how long it will take. Hello guys. So we have got the result here. You can see. So we took the latest trending Odyssey movie poster and we generated prompt using Grok AI and we have put it in the Flow app. So as you can see here, it's almost the same. Like it even added an epic tale of survival and destiny coming soon. Like if you see the second image, you don't have any kind of tagline here. It's just the title, the Odyssey. And in the third image, the tagline has changed, "A film by Alexander Rhodes coming soon." So this is how you can generate unlimited images guys. So if you have any doubt, comment below This is my first video. If you hype the video, I'll be very grateful, and thanks. More tutorials on AI will be coming soon. So okay, as this is done, let's do the same with another image, as we have already done this. So guys, the second image we'll be using today is the Spider-Man, which is also a trending topic. So this is the image from Spider-Man trailer. So I'm going to send it to Grok again in the same workflow. Remember guys, whatever workflow you start, try to continue in the same workflow so that you will have idea about what you are creating and how you are creating it. If I'll scroll it down, so you can see this is the Odyssey poster that we have already created using the prompt generated by Grok AI. Now I've given it the second image. So it has given the description of the image. Now let us ask for a JSON prompt. Please give me JSON prompt. So guys, yeah, it is thinking. Yeah, it's almost lightning quick. It just takes 1 to 2 seconds to give us the prompt. It's a very easy process. So again, the same thing applies. Copy, go back to flow. Yeah, so we already have the Odyssey here, Odyssey images. For your reference, I'm just going back to show you the interface of the Flow app. So this is the interface of the Flow app. Instead of creating a new project, I'm opening the project that we have already created, which is on July 23rd. So what do you want to make? So here I'm going to paste my prompt. It's done guys, I pasted the prompt. Now again we'll come back to attributes. The important thing here is these images are generated for free, almost for no cost. Generating will use 0 AI credit, so you can generate even 4 images. So this time we will go with 4 image, but this time we'll change the aspect ratio to 3:4 and 4 images. I would like to use Nano Banana 2 again. Let's hit. Yeah guys, yes guys, so as you can see here, it is generating. So guys, as you can see here, if I scroll it back up, it is saying fail, you have not been charged for this generation. Fail. So 3 images have failed and only 1 image stood tall. I'll tell you why this happened. So the problem with using Google Flow is you can't generate prominent people's images. Like Spider-Man has copyright issues. It is from Marvel. We already know they'll have these copyrights. So we can't generate something like this. Spider-Man is not a general topic. It is subjected to Marvel Cinematic Universe. So we can't generate images that of prominent people. Even if you try to generate images of different actors and actresses, it won't generate. I hope you got clarity with this video, and comment below. I will be replying to every comment, and subscribe to the channel and hype it. Thank you so much.